This was another cool little promo that they did. Tesla's Lone Star Flag Model Y formation in Giga Texas has been completed.
That's fun.
So they've aligned a number of Model Ys in order to make a Model Y version of the Texas flag. You can see the star up there with the 5 white vehicles in that shape, in that pattern. We have the red vehicles down here at the bottom, white at the top, and this would not be an easy thing to do from a parking perspective, would it, Will? Does someone have a time lapse of this parking?
No,
they should.
Unfortunately.
They should have a time lapse if there was ever a time for a time lapse. Oh, also, it's important to note that event tonight happening in Texas, the rodeo, the doors open at 4, even though the live stream is at 9.
Okay.
So there's a lot of partying going on. If you've got an invite, I don't have an invite. I mean, I'm not even close to Texas right now. But if you've got an invite, you can get there a little bit earlier and have yourself a time. I'm pretty sure. And maybe you can check out the Texas flag. Although I feel like if you're on the ground, if you're not up in the air, it's not translating. You're just seeing a bunch of Model Ys.
Elon's really into drone footage recently.
That's true.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Big drone guy.
Let me see. Oh yeah, it's more drone footage. That's
Giga Texas getting details
Jeez.
ready for Cyber Rodeo this morning. Here's some new images. It's also, okay, so it's obviously a crazy scale to it, but then you realize how fast they built this thing. Don't you remember the news when they bought the land? It's not that long ago, man. Mm-hmm. And they just whipped that baby up. They just whip up something. It's the size of 10 football fields or whatever it is. Mm-hmm. I don't know. I'm exaggerating, but it's enormous, whatever it is. It's really amazing to see. You love to see the progress.
Is that a cowboy hat?
Yeah, it's a cyber rodeo.
Oh, that's cool.
You should know. Well, it's a cyber rodeo.